E-bikes are becoming one of the most appreciated means of urban transportation. They are feature-packed with insane components, making them more functional, practical, and unique. Besides, they are an eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels in this fast-moving life. Here in this video, we've discussed 11 amazing electric bikes of this time. Enjoy!
Outdoorzone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Let's begin with the Foocare Gemini X, a robust and rugged-looking electric bike that is great both on and off the pavement. After all, the bike is equipped with a high-performance 750-watt brushless hub motor for instant throttle and more efficient pedal assist. The Gemini X has a trellis-style frame that establishes itself as a fast Class 3 e-bike. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain combines with two separate 48-volt batteries that have an astonishing range of 161 kilometers. To smoothen up bumps, it still offers front shock absorption suspensions that improve the ride on rougher roads. And to round up a perfect ride, the 6061 aluminum frame provides strength and unprecedented durability for Gemini X. And in case someone wants to be even more comfortable, Foocare officially offers tons of different upgrades, like a significant battery, a larger and more comfortable seat, and a seat tube with shock for the best experience. Moreover, it also offers a rear rack for hauling with an exceptional class-leading payload capacity of about 50 kilograms. The Z-Series is a popular one among enthusiasts. Z Miami is engineered by taking the best features from the first model, Z1, and built from ground zero. Its lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame is a house to a convenient 615-watt removable battery. To excite the riders more, Z Miami comes in 4 distinctive colors. Furthermore, each bike comes pre-programmed with multi-class ride modes for different kinds of usage and different kinds of users. The newest Delfast Top 3.0i unites ultimate power and a top range of 321 kilometers. This monster is powered by a rear motor that can produce 750 watts with technologies that make the ride smarter. An AI-based computer comes on board to make the long journeys more accessible. Did we mention Top 3.0i holds a Guinness record holder for up to 321 kilometers of rides on one charge? An all-rounder in all aspects, presenting you with the Mastix 1 e-bike. Take this to any street or gravel road without having to worry at all. It's equipped with air suspensions to give the riders a smooth ride over bumps. The robust aluminum frame is durable for long journeys and at the same time keeps the weight minimum. So whether you're exploring a new town or need a reliable mode of transportation, the Mastix 1 gives the flexibility to do it all with style. If you want to go fast and have fun on an e-MTB, Weapon X has to be your pick. It's one of the most potent carbon fiber mountain bikes with a peak of 1,000 watts mid-motor. Like the powerful motor, Weapon X is equally comfortable with full suspensions to take it anywhere. These components make Weapon X incredibly snappy and quick on sharp turns, providing riders with the fun and power it promises. Juiced Bike's Rip Racer has some exciting styles with a BMX frame platform combined with fat tires. Its customized aluminum frame features an upgraded 52-volt battery nicely blended with the frame. To give Rip Racer a cleaner look, all the cables are internally managed with an IP65 rating. Its powerful 750-watt motor has plenty of torque for hills and demanding roads. E-bikes like the BuyiDo L3 show exactly how less is more with its folding capability. The range of 200 kilometers can be an excuse to go out whenever you get a chance. Its aluminum alloy frame keeps the weight light and energy consumption extremely low. As a result, L3 is excellent if you plan to cover long distances on a small bike. Or maybe just fold it, take it by the beach, and start exploring. No other e-bike can look this cool and clean around the city better than Bonk Bike. Its aerospace-grade aluminum frame keeps the weight down to just 16 kilograms, which makes the ride more enjoyable and less tiring. In addition, Bonk has a 2-split battery from the get-go instead of one large battery. This keeps the weight low with a faster charging time. And its intelligent motor assist lets the rider select from 5 different power levels using the handlebar-mounted LED display. A new electric bike for a new generation, presenting you the Nothing, keeping the basics clean and minimum. Nothing didn't compromise on features. As a result, this is a bike without effort and maintenance. Simply put, Nothing. To comply with simplicity, a belt drive is installed instead of a chain. This is more efficient, long-lasting, and maintenance-free. Moreover, a lockable, removable battery with a range of 60 kilometers is an intelligent solution for the city's busy streets. The Centurion Country R is a popular e-bike. After all, Country R was crowned one of the best e-bikes of 2020. The new Country R is the successor and revised version of Country R2600i. With a new rigid aluminum frame and a Bosch performance motor, this bike can master any off-road situation. Additionally, a 625 watt-hour battery provides pedal assist, and MTB tires bring the best out of mountain biking. Keeping practicality in mind, XP Lite is the most accessible and agile folding e-bike you can get right now. Carrying on from its siblings XP and XP 2.0, XP Lite is more maneuverable, lighter, and compact. It has a 300-watt rear hub motor that can produce a peak power of 720 watts. When folded, the bike dramatically becomes half of its size, saving both struggle and storage. XP Lite's single-speed functionality with 5-level pedal assist is perfect for riders who are always on the go. Okay, that brings us to the end of our list of 11 amazing electric bikes of this time. Thanks for watching. Please share this video if you find it helpful, and consider subscribing to the channel.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.